he thil kan en tur hi overnight security guard pakhatina a thil ton a thil lo lak fu ania a duty thin na hmun chu eng tiang chi a danglam le rap nge ni ti anu phalpa lo hmu ve tan ti in thla chu la kuala ama ngei po hian a duty na hmun chu angai na lovin zanlaya patrolling an nei ngat phei chu nuam ati zan lo thina a duty na hmun hi mithi in halral na crematory hmun ania mithi te chu halralin an vap chu an chung te hna an pelet le thina mithi lampang hlau chi tan chuan hmun nel tak chu ani theilo hrim maya heti night duty in thala kula hian he thil danglam tak mai hi alo la fu ta ni.
They turn off automatically at a certain hour, and I'll tell you right now, I'm gonna walk you through now. I have a friend that works that he would see and hear things coming from these furnaces when they're burning the bodies. So when I'm walking through here, they usually put the urns out to send to the families. So when I'm walking here at night, I walk right by these urns that they put on these tables here. And then I come down, freaking out.
In haran na hmun hrim po hi zanlaya chuan hmun nel lo takani sa to te reng nen thil danglam an thleng le zet phei hi chu mani na tanga ban wang na tham atling hial ome khati in halrana zone a thlen lai tak khan a camera mic chuan thil engamoni hi manin ari truk maya ma zong le a nu zong powa thil me si lo kha in halrana zone a thlen lai hian eng thil emoni manin ari truk mai si ya eng thil tak chu niang mo.
Now I have a friend that works.
E thil ringot po hi pa sui tham ani to te reng nen mithi halral sa va panda na bur pakhat chu ama chuan ron che in a chin te chu aron che det maya he thilan muzet chu he security guard pa po hian a hlaungang ni turani atlan che zui ngala chuta heti atlan chet na lama hian he thil hi awatong le buka achung lampang atang khan eng thil mani chu aron chuak nge ni ti parda aron chet loi da na tang khan a chiang view maya zangkhat thil thuwa thil danglam tak mai thil chi thumngot mai atong ania zandang le a duty le po achak to lo ngotang le hemi zana a thil ton chungchang hi an pu hne na po a hril ngala hei in halral na ina hian an halral tak tu thlai mo tak chu ala cham bang ani mai thei a bang lova ala duty le ngamani chuan mi huaisen tak pakhat chu ani ve hrim inarin oma a duty le ngamani poin huaisen taka round le po chu achak to wakin arin bik lovani. Paranormal thil han soi to hi chuan no pang tenen hian in kung kai na thuk takan nei thina thlalam pang thil te hian no pang te hi an ril ru ala thiang hlim wang hi ni mo an bei boi fo thina kum in September ni sumni paruk sang ni sumni panga khan video danglam tak mai hi nu pakhat chuan aron pho chuaka afan thil a live vel chu thla na kolin heti lai hian thil danglam tak mai hi aron thleng tatlat maya Hadum ti riat tak hi no pang nung lampang a hian a che phei lai hi alo lang theia a che hi amuangin electric bulb a thlen lai khan he current light hi a thim deuh sulh ni chuna hriata electric power te le thla lampang po hian in zoom na an nei deuh nge ni dawn ni light te hi thla an chet to hi chuan an phe le deuh zuk zuk thina an thim le sulh mai thina ni hei chau hi alani lova fridge a hian naupang hlim thla hi alang theia he naupang le fridge a hlim thla hian in an lo na an nei tlat maya mi then khat sui dana phei chuan he a hlim thla hian he naupang hi arun thlir ni ten an sui hial ani fridge a hlim thla hi chu thil hmu sual satle po chu lo ni tang se banga thil local zet kha chu thil hmu sual satle chu ani theilo hrim hrim ani he ina hian eng thilemani thil dang lam deuh chu arun che ni ti a chiang reng mai Arizona hmuna khuan highway pakhat accident thlen du na deuh mai hmun hi omin chu hmun chu lower back IT in an soya nikum kumkalta mai khan driver pakhat he hmun paltlang tu chuan thil dang lam tak mai he kongpuya hian alo lafu hlau maya nikum April ni somthum sang hi somni pali khan ta samuran chuan he kongpui accident tam tak lo thlen to na hmun hi zana chuna paltlanga heti motor khal mek lai hian a motor da scam chuan he thil dang lam tak mai hi alo record fuwa screen ding lampang sira hian eng thilemani motor da scam hian alo record fuwa alan chung hi arei lo ema wang le a chian tok lo wang hian eng thil chi nge ni ti hi chu a chiang theilawa han ti mon deuh hi chuan thil pa ngai lo eng thilemani chu alo record fu nge ni ti chu a chiang viau thunga he thil alo lak fu hi mi hring dam lai chu ani lo ti a chianga a pian te hi uluk taka kan en chuan thil dang lam eng thilemani tak chu ani ti a chiang reng maya he hmuna hian motor accident tam tak lo toin thi nupi lampang thil thla lampang thil te po ani du mel viau mai in pakhat chu hun rei tak chung che thatani towa he thlala tu po hi he in che thatu zinga pakhat ni in ama hian na hi thok mai thina ma se he thila to na tang hi chuan ama chawin a thok ngam to bi kherin arin om chi lovani rum khat chu hetia ma chia na tho lai hian mi hring thom ni si lo thom dang lam tak me hi ron omin thla hi la kuala
but yeah, whoa, what the hell? This is what I'm talking about. You guys heard that? Whoa. I don't want to go up there. I do not.
In chung khoi mo tang hian thom hirun oma heti hun lai hian ama china oma midang tu ma an si lova mak chu ti hleni chun khoi en lai mani se athil ton chuan athi hlau veu ni turani thom ron chu na lai ni ya hriat room chung po chu I en fe ngam lova atira chuan heti na thol han hian misulan lo lut palani chu ring dawa masela anu le thil thleng hian misulan lo lut pal ni yarin na chu apai thla chiang hleni ke pen thom ni om tak hi tum khat po basement lama chu na hrele ta thlak maya tun tum chu in ti hoi luin mi te mu thei tur chuan basement a chuan chukthla in thla chu la kuala chuta he thil hi arun thleng le ta ni
I seen like an elbow leave this room, but there's nobody else that lives here. This is my client's house. Oh, I swear. Oh my God. Oh, that's what I'm talking about right there. This is shaking. There's nobody else in the house with me. I swear. This is where I heard those footsteps at. Oh, what the? Oh, it's coming from here. Oh, there's a little. Oh my goodness. right there. That right there is always... I'm sorry, I can't even talk right. Doing this job out here, look at... See this job? I'm doing this right here. Seeing things. Things still shaking, dude. I can't even look at it. Oh, maybe some of these objects are haunted. What the? Yo, this is moving and this is moving. Why isn't this one moving? I'm used to this already. You know what I mean? Like, if don't follow me home.
Lai te chu an mani chuan an run in the na pakhat mai po ni lovin mun ran rana lai te chu an run in then kola hei chau po hi la ni lovin thom dang lam tak mai hi a hretel boka.
Oh, it's coming from here. Oh, it's a little... Oh my goodness.
Kha thom kha chur nuwa tang hian a ron chuak ni chu na hre a ma sela thom siam tu ang chu hriat thiam a har hle ni he mystery hian he in che that na hi ala tho chun zum zela ma se hemi ba khi chu e ina tho chung hian thil dang lam atong chun zum le to lova rum ni ngot mai thil dang lam atong ani ya e ina hian thil dik zan lo eng thilimuni chu a omani mai thayani. Misty Huron hian trumdanga alapos ngai zen lo thil dang lam tak mai hi aron pho chuaka he thil hian ama lo follow tu te po chu abara khai ve hle maya makpo an lo titlang ve hle ni trum khat chu an baby monitor hian thil dang lam tak mai hi a detect lat maya afanu chu baby creepa hian tui tak chu na muwa hetia chemi lawa amut thil lai po hian baby monitor chuan thil che ang chuan a hretlat maya thil chena sala eng thil ma om si lawa Misty po hian makchu ti hle maya afanu upazok hi heruma hian alamu ve a chu ni thengem ti te chu angai tuwa ma se chu la chu ani melchi boxi lo.
Moved my daughter out of this room. Now she's across the hall. But we got all the furniture in, the TV hung. That is like a...
Hetianga baby monitorin thil che anga thilap mu tlata wang hian Misty ngai hi ati that hei tlat lo maya afanu te zok mu hi la chu achemang mangai si lova uluk zok chuan baby monitor feed chu an en kuala chuta thil dang lam tak mai hi Misty Huron hian a mu chuak ta ni. Screen ding lampang chak lampang kila hian eng thilemani thil dum hi aron lang deuh zeuh lai hi alo lang theya he thil mu hian Misty po hi ambara khain an chunga thil thalo taka thleng mayang ti chu a Hlauhawm hle maya he khumla hi aruak vek boxi ya kha bang phena tanga ron in Lawrkhawm eng thil chunga ni tang le makati ema wangin social media lama hian aron pho chu kania trum khat po he ruma tho hian thil dang lam tak mai ala thlen chun zom cheu maya.
Okay, a lot of y'all were asking about the room situation, so I'm going to run that through real quick. We moved my daughter from this room into this room. She got new furniture. That's why the bunk bed is still in there. This is the attic that's in between the rooms that I was talking about that's cracked. It's been that way for a while, so it's not something that I'm overly concerned about, but y'all have got me freaking out in the comments. I cannot even breathe walking in this room, so I am truly terrified, but I'm going to walk y'all in here real quick. This is the bunk bed. This is where I took her out of her crib, ran up the bunk bed. There was nothing up there when I came. We have her rocking chair, her changing station, her closet with all of the stuff that we still need to put up. This is where I have everything that was gifted. I know a lot of y'all were saying check stuff that came from a thrift store or that wasn't yours because it might be causing it. I will show you guys up here. There's nothing suspicious. There's no hair from like a rat or something that could have came in. This is marker. These are still tucked in on the sides, like they're still tight from, you know, if somebody was trying to be underneath the blankets. I don't think that's plausible. So I don't know. I have no idea what could be causing it. Oh my God, it's rocking.
Rocking chair kumsiran hunchu ama chuan aron cheringut maya aron che chantur anghi a hriat thei boxi lava mak takani ama lama thil lo thleng to nen phei chuan misti hi ati hlau tak zetani misti chuan he room hi rang ni chuan angai nget bur maya apasal lo ho le ma phei chu he room a hian alut le ngam to lovani he room hi a rang tak takani theingem he room a hian engthil chi nge thleng ni tang le zan khat chu alia hian afanu chu thla lo lak sakin a Hlauhawm hle maya afanu hian engthil chunge atun niang le afanu hi kar ni chung zet chu hetiang hian a towa thil hlau nein a trap le chiam mai thina doctor an ron la chuan no pang then khat chuan hetiang mang chia hi an nei thin thu an lo hril mau mai boxi ya ati ngai na tak po chu anu hian a hrelawani zan khat chu aliai thang har chuan afanu mang ang taka aru marun tlan lut chu alo hmuwa afanu hian mang chia engthil muni chu mule in chu thil chuan ati hlo em awang chuan trap chung chuan anu room lampang hi alo pan hi alo nia aliai po hian afanu chutia mang ang taka ron tlan lut ta chu lo buipui ngalin an doctor muatan ti in thil thleng chung chang chu hetiang hian alo rekota
I'm scared.
Scared? Are we scared, baby? Come on, you're big girl. Come here, big girl. You're big girl. It's okay. There's the vent right there, baby. See? The vent pushes the door. You're fine, okay? Are you a big girl? Feel scared, just remember. Baby Lenny's here, Mommy's here. We're all gonna be together in the same house. It's gonna be okay. Let's go to bed. What's wrong, Cora? What are you afraid of? You're scaring me, honey. I don't see anything.
afanu bula chuan thil hlau tur engthil ma a lo dan te chu han thrilin thla te chuan la kuala ma se heti la hian blind curtain chu an mani tok chuan arwal chuan an run in khar thup maya pakhat mai po ni lovin blind curtain palingot mai chu arwal chuan an run in khara anu po hi ati laungang ni turani atre chuak thut mai ani arun in khar dan la kha mi hring pa ngai tan chuan voi khata thil han ti theini in alang boxi lova eng thil tak chuan run ti niang mo uluk takini lo en le lok teang kan huang khan heng blind curtain ho hi arwal chuan ain khar rol thap maya kan hmu ve thei si lo eng thil emawni thla lampang thil chuan a rualin khatiang khan a rong khar ani mai thei ani hemi zan hian a fanu pawh chu ama ruma hian riat tir lovin a ruma chuan an riak duna atuk le lama chuan aliai hi a fanu ruma chuan vakalin blind curtain chu a rualin khar thei ani te rengem ti chu finfia avatum don ani ilo enang.
You have to be physically standing by the blinds in order to close them like this. And also, all 4 of them closed at the exact same time. There's not electronic, it's not battery powered, That's not creepy. Trying my best not to freak out. So
An blind curtain ama arwala ron in kharvek dan chungchang hetia suimek la hian an kong khar chu ama hian arun in hong remut maya aliai po hian athil ton mek chu makati in athil lau ve deuh hialani he kong khar ama ron in hong ba ka hian zan lama thil thlenga khan kong khar hi ama chuan alowin khar to boka he thil thlenga hian AC thli in ati chetani lo dan chu hetiang hian arun soi fia le boka
door closed. It's very loud. And you can hear it coming from the vent. The air vent could not have pushed this door closed in that other video because the air was not on, the AC was not on.
AC chu han onin athom po chu aring hle maya chu ti rualin AC on awang rangot chuan kong khar chu a in hongin a in khar theilo ti chu ati chianga ma se khami zan khan kong khar kha ama in hong miau mai si ya eng thilemuni ean cheni na hian a om nge ni ti chu a chiang ta viau mai kong khar pakhat mai poni lovin kong khar pani ngot mai chu chan ommi lovin a in hongin a in khar ngot maya afanu lo tra chan vak ni theitur om ang chu a hredo ruak to ni chuan a in ngaya thil chiang zo a hriat ma lo chuan afanu po chu a ruma chuan riatir ngam to lovin abula chuan a riatir zel towa ma sela he video kan ti chu thleng hi chuan eng thilin nge ti boi ti hi an la hre thei bik lova rin dan tlang lo na chuan hen che nei na hian mi hring te na kan hmu ve thei si lo thla lampang thil omin chu thil chuan he mi te nu fa hi ati boi thina ni chu arin taberani enge irin ve dan le